What's going on, Faya? So I want to talk to you a little bit about this. We know that there's a lot of things that don't make sense, but we're connecting the dots. But no matter how far we go, we're still never going to get an answer. Well, like John Ramirez said, this has nothing to do with people. This has all to do with the enemy who's been here since Adam and Eve. Epstein is still alive, I believe, and the elite are covering it up. And we have to know our rights are slowly being taken away. And if we don't see that, we need to get our head out of the sand into reality. Because for a long time, my head was in the sand, especially living in Winter Park. When I first moved there, I said, oh, this is a blue zone. Suddenly, the prison guard that was supposed to be on duty watching Epstein, booking tape, the jail tape is missing. Well, that happened to me, and I couldn't fight it because at the time I had no finances, on disability. Please wake up. Our rights are being slowly taken away before our eyes, and the elite run this country and the world. Jesus came that we may have life exceedingly abundantly above all, and once you accept him, that power of the Holy Spirit will give you the supernatural power. And Joel 2:25, what the locust has eaten, God will restore. I promise you, because he's getting justice now from Officer Vaughn, who assaulted me. I had a 5-inch hematoma from booking. I got a concussion, was rushed to the ER. And then when I went to the Orange County jail, the first thing the supervisor said, Teresa White, was, when she saw my face, "Are you going to sue us?" Well, I can't sue you if there's no booking tape.